NMR spectra interpretation. Proton NMR. The most common for NMR is based on the hydrogen nucleus or proton. It can give information about the structure of any molecule containing hydrogen atoms. NMR H table. Interpretation of H1 NMR spectra. Number of signals indicated how many different kinds of protons are present. Position of signals indicates something about chemical shift or magnetic electronic environment of protons. Relative intensity of signals proportional to number of protons present. Splitting of signals, spin-spin coupling, indicates the number of nearby nuclei, usually protons. अब हम अध्ययन करेंगे n+1 रूल. ये रूल होता है द मल्टीपल्सिटी ऑफ सिग्नल is calculated by using n+1 rule. This is one of the rule to predict the splitting of proton signals. This is considered by the nearby hydrogen nuclei. Therefore, n is equivalent to number of protons is nearby nuclei. 0H atom as neighbor n+1 बराबर 0 + 1 = 1 singlet. 1H atom as neighbor n+1, it means n1 + 1 2 doublet. 2H atom as neighbor n+1, so here n is 2 + 1 3 triplet. Spin-spin coupling, splitting. The interaction between the spins of neighboring nuclei in a molecule may cause the splitting of NMR spectrum. This is known as spin-spin coupling or splitting. The splitting pattern is related to the number of equivalent hydrogen atom at the nearby nuclei. This is the example of ethyl acetate, singlet, quadret or triplet is shown here. Rules of spin-spin coupling. Chemically equivalent protons do not show spin-spin coupling. Only non-equivalent protons couple. Protons or adjoins carbons normally will couple. Protons separated by 4 or more bonds will not couple. Coupling constant. The distance between the peaks in a given multiplet is a measure of the splitting effect known as coupling constant. It is denoted by symbol J expressed in Sz. Coupling constants are a measure of the effectiveness of spin-spin coupling and very useful in HNMR of complex structures. Proton NMR spectra of ethanol. This is the example of ethanol, CH3, CH2OH. Proton spectrum of ethanol is 3 type of protons, CH3, CH2OH. Proton NMR spectra of benzene. Aromatic hydrocarbon shows peak in the chemical shift scale 6.5 to 8.0 ppm. From the above spectrum, benzene has same type of protons and it shows single peak at 7.26. This is a example of cyclohexane singlet 12H proton. This is the example of 2,3-dimethyl-2-butane, and this is the example of C11H16. Thank you.